Laura Hoy for Benzinga, and here's a look at what you can expect from the markets today, Friday, November 29th. With 6 fewer days to shop this holiday season, several large retailers went all out for Black Friday weekend by deeply discounting big-ticket items and opening a day early on Thanksgiving. However, many Americans stayed home to shop. IBM's digital analytics benchmark showed that retail sales online were up by 10% from last year's figure. Hungary's central bank leader said that ECB President Mario Draghi told fellow central bankers that a euro to dollar exchange rate of $1.30 was harmful to Southern Europe's export competitiveness. However, a spokesperson for Draghi has denied the quote. China sent fighter jets as well as an early warning aircraft to patrol its newly declared air defense zone. The aircraft are expected to monitor and escort foreign aircraft rather than try to repel them. Anti-government protests escalated on Thursday when 1,200 protesters stormed Thailand's army headquarters. The incident marks the most dramatic escalation of protests that the group hopes will oust Thailand's prime minister. On Thursday, the Bank of England announced that it's planning to cut its support for mortgage lending. The decision highlights the nation's growing insecurity about soaring house prices and their effect on the financial stability of banks. Asian markets were mixed on Friday. The Japanese Nikkei was down by 0.41%, and Australia's ASX composite was down by 0.27%. China's Shenzhen composite was up by 0.42%, and the Hang Seng index was up by 0.39%. European markets were moderately higher on Friday. The UK's FTSE was up by 0.20%, and the Eurozone Stock 600 was up by 0.02%. The Spanish IBEX gained 0.37%, and France's CAC 40 was up by 0.05%. In commodity markets, energy futures were higher. Brent futures were up by 0.09%, and WTI futures gained 0.30%. Gold gained 0.74%, and silver was up by 1.13%. Industrial metals were mostly lower, with tin posting the largest loss, down 0.22%. Currency markets were quiet on Friday. The euro gained 0.07% against the dollar, and the pound fell 0.11% against the greenback. The dollar lost 0.07% against the yen and 0.13% against the Australian dollar. Friday's economic calendar will be relatively quiet, with notable releases including Canadian GDP, British mortgage approvals, the Eurozone unemployment rate, and German retail sales. And that's it for today's Market Primer. I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga. Good luck with your Friday trades and have a great holiday weekend.